Grade 5 students. Welcome to online courses. Today we will have a grammar lesson. Our lesson today is Unit 5A about the future simple tense. First of all, let me tell you what does it mean the future. The future is something that will happen next. Like you can see, we have the past, we have the present, and we have the future. Okay, so use two actions that will happen in the future. We have future patterns and we have three future patterns, and they are will plus verb infinitive, be going to and verb infinitive, and the present continuous tense. First of all, let's move to will. What is the form? The form subject plus will, or I can write apostrophe plus double L, then verb infinitive. Example, they will travel to Alex tomorrow. When I want to use the negative or the word not, I use subject plus will not or won't plus verb infinitive. Example, they won't or would not travel to Alex tomorrow. Now, if I want to make a yes or no question, I will start with will, then subject and verb infinitive. Will they travel to Alex tomorrow? And for the short answers, yes, they will, or no, they won't. Now, let's move to be going to. The form, subject plus am, is, are, and this is be, verb to be, then going to and verb infinitive. Examples, I'm going to travel to Alex tomorrow. He is going to have a party. We are going to buy a new house. When I want to use the negative or the word not, I will use subject plus am not or isn't or aren't going to and verb infinitive. I'm not going to travel to Alex tomorrow. He isn't going to have a party. We aren't going to buy a new house. And for the questions, start using is or are, subject, going to, and verb infinitive. Are you going to travel to Alex tomorrow? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Now, let's move to the present continuous tense. The form, subject, am, is, are, verb plus ing. Examples, she's visiting her grandma tonight. They're having their exams next week. For the negative, she isn't visiting her grandma tonight. They aren't having their exams next week. And for the questions, is she visiting her grandma tonight? Are they having their exams next week? Now, let's move to the keywords we use in the future simple tense. We have the word next, and I can say next week, next month, next Friday, and we have the word tomorrow and the word tonight. Now, let's move to the use. When we use every one of them. Number one, will. When can I use will? We use it for predictions based on what we think or imagine. Example, I think there will be flying cars in 2040. Number two, for on the spot or quick decisions. Example, the phone is ringing, I'll answer. Birthdays, Anne will be 30 next month. We use it for warning and threat. Don't carry this heavy bag or you'll hurt your back. We use it also for promise. I promise I'll come early. And with some verbs and expressions like think, expect, hope, believe, imagine, I'm sure, I'm afraid, perhaps, and it's possible. Now, let's move to be going to. We use be going to for predictions based on an evidence, like It's cloudy. It's going to rain. We use it also for intentions, plans, or decisions. Here we have an example. I have decided to buy a car, and I ask you to use going. How to answer this? Delete have decided to, then use going. You will say, I'm going to buy a car. Now let's move to the present continuous. We use it for fixed arrangements in the near future. Here we have an example. They have arranged to travel to France. And I ask you to use traveling. How to answer? Delete have arranged to. Then you will say they are traveling to France. Now, let's move to the student book page 51 and you can find how to use will, be going to, and the present continuous tense. Back to your sheets, page 25 and 26 to answer the question. We will start with underlined questions on page 25. Number 1. I expect, I will, am going, do, spend good time with my friends. Here we have the verb expect. So the answer, will. The answer is will. Number 2. I think our team going to win, will win, was going to win, or win more matches. We have the verb think, so the answer will win. Number 3. There are no clouds in the sky. It's going to another sunny day. Here we need infinitive verb. Being, been, be, is. The answer will be B. Number 4. He was flying, going to fly, is flying, flies to London tomorrow. He has got his tickets. The answer is flying. The cup is on the edge of the table. It will, is, was, are going to fall. The answer is. Number 6. He is leaving, going to leave, left, leaves in an hour. He has arranged it with his boss. Look here we have the word arranged. When you have arranged we use the present continuous. So the answer is leaving. Number 7. My brother will, is, going to, or be 20 next week. With birthdays we use will. Number 8. I promised I will. Buy, buying, bought, buys you a nice present. The answer will be buy. 9. The class is visit, visiting, visits, visited the museum next week. The answer will be the class is visiting. Number 10. The phone is ringing, and as I told you, this is a quick decision. I am going, will, am, be, answer it. The answer, I will answer it. 11. He is meeting, going to meet, would meet, met his friend this afternoon. He has arranged for that. Again, we have the word arranged. So the answer is meeting. 12. I think Egypt going to win, will win, winning, wins the match. We have the word think. So the answer will win. 13. I hope you going to spending, will spend or spends a good time on your holiday. We have the word hope. So the answer will spend. And number 14, I expect it will rain, was raining, going to rain, or rained tomorrow. And the answer will rain. Now, let's move to rewrite questions. Number 1, they have arranged to play football tomorrow. And I ask you to use the word playing. What to do? You will delete have arranged to. And the answer? They are playing football tomorrow. Number 2. Hannah promised to work hard. Use will. What to do? You will delete promise to. So the answer will be Hannah will work hard. 3. Maria has decided to have a picnic next week. Use going to. What will we do here? You will delete has decided to, and you will say Maria is going to have a picnic next week. Number 4. He has arranged to travel to Spain tomorrow. Use is traveling. Again, what to do? Delete has arranged to. The answer? He is traveling to Spain tomorrow. 5. Omar promised not to hit his little sister again. Use won't. So the answer? Omar won't hit his little sister again. 6. Salma and Farah have intended to watch a DVD tonight. Use going to. You will delete have intended to. And the answer? Salma and Farah are going to watch a DVD tonight. 7. I will visit the pyramids next April. Use not. The answer, I won't or will not visit the pyramids next April. 8. We have planned to go shopping next Friday. Use going to. The answer, we're going to go shopping next Friday. Number 9. Yes, she will buy a new car in 2018. Use not. The answer, no, she won't buy a new car in 2018. And number 10, the children are going to play computer games. Use not. The answer, the children aren't going to play computer games. Now, let's move to question number 3. Write questions for the following sentences. He's going to travel to South Africa next week. Use where. The answer, where is he going to travel next week? Number 2. Yes, they are planting some trees tomorrow. Use are. The answer, are they planting any trees tomorrow? 3. No, I won't buy that expensive car. Ask using will. The answer, will you buy that expensive car? 4. They are going to send their friends a message tonight. Use what? The answer, what are they going to do tonight? 5. I'm traveling to Turkey by plane. Use how. How are you traveling to Turkey? And the last one, she'll publish her first novel in 2020. Use when. The answer, when will she publish her first novel? Thanks for watching and wish you best of